Gregor Johann Mendel, the father of genetics, proposed that the characters are represented by certain factors. Now we know that these factors are nothing but the gene present in DNA. What is the structure of DNA? DNA is nothing but a nucleic acid, deoxyribonucleic acid. James Watson and Francis Crick put forward a model of DNA. This is by observing the X-ray picture of DNA by Rosalind Franklin. This is the double helical structure of DNA. It has two strands and several rugs connected to these strands. The strands are made by two types of molecules. One is sugar molecule and the other is phosphate molecules. Sugar and phosphate. The rugs connecting strands are nothing but the nitrogen bases. Thus, this is the unit of DNA and it is known as the nucleotide. It is made up of three types of molecules: a deoxyribose sugar, a phosphate molecule and a nitrogen base. The alkaline nitrogen bases are of four types: adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. Adenine combines with thymine and the cytosine combines with guanine. Adenine only combines with thymine and guanine only combines with cytosine. Thus, this is the complete structure of DNA double helical strand. Thus, you can answer these indicators, which are the components of nucleotides are sugar, phosphate and nitrogen base. Nitrogen base of DNA are adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. Adenine combines with thymine and cytosine only combines with guanine. Thus, you can complete this strand like this. Beside this deoxyribonucleic acid DNA, another nucleic acid RNA are also present in our body. RNA differ from DNA with a single strand and the sugar is ribose sugar. Here thymine is replaced by uracil. Adenine, cytosine, guanine and uracil is present in RNA. Thus you can answer this table very easily. That is DNA with a double strand and RNA with a single strand. The ribose sugar present in DNA is deoxyribose and that of RNA is ribose sugar. DNA consists of adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine, while RNA adenine, uracil and cytosine and guanine. Try to prepare model of DNA using locally available materials. Thank you.